In this video, I will show two methods to enable dark mode in Windows 11. Method 1. First, click the Start button and open Settings. Next, select Personalization from the menu on the left. Then click Colors. Under Choose Your Mode, open the drop-down menu and select Dark. That's it. Windows 11 will instantly switch to dark mode, giving your desktop and supported apps a darker, more comfortable appearance. Method 2. Click the Start button and open Settings. Next, select Accessibility from the menu on the left. Scroll down and click Contrast Themes. Under Contrast Theme, open the drop-down menu and select Aquatic or Night Sky, and press Apply button to enable dark themes. And that's it. Windows 11 will instantly switch to dark mode. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching,